Hi guys, in this video we will be featuring Gamma AI. Well, Gamma AI is one of the most popular AI tool today, which is known for generating presentations in just a simple input from a user. In this beginner's guide, we will be covering the basics of Gamma AI, so hang in there and tune in for this video. And here's our first topic. For our first topic is your setting up of your account. Just head into Gamma that app, which is GAMMA dot app. After accessing their website, you will see this homepage. You can navigate all throughout the page to see the basic features that Gamma offers to us. Now, I want you to go back to the top and then click the sign up for free button. After clicking this, it will redirect you to the sign up page where you can use your Google account. Now click the Google account and then just click the continue button. And as you can see, it has already signed up our account automatically. So first, how to create a presentation with the use of Gamma. Just click this create new AI. And then it will offer us three things to present or to generate. Maybe it's a text, generating a popular presentation, or we can import a file. Let's click the generate, since this is one of the most popular feature that is very used in today's age. Click the continue button. And then it will show a input box where we have to ask our input. So for me, I just want to choose here the example prompts, like the most ridiculous moments in ABA history. So let's see what Gamma can do. Click this and then click the generate outline. As you can see, Gamma is now creating a list of our ideas and it will be generated into a presentation. After generating this, just click the continue button. And here you can set a theme for your presentation. And I will use this one, which is named as Iris. Now click the generate. And as you can see here, it is automatically generating everything for our presentation. Just wait for it to be done and you're good to go for your first AI-generated presentation that is created by Gamma. And as you can see here, the feature of generating presentation with the use of AI, just by a simple prompting, it is generated as the product, which is a presentation of the most ridiculous moments in ABA and BA history. And that's for our first topic in setting up your account and your first prompt in Gamma presentation. Now let's head into our second topic. Now, after generating our first prompt in Gamma and after generating this wonderful presentation, let's talk about styling a card. As you can see here, inside our card, there are three icons available, which is this three dotted icon, a paint icon, and this edit with the AI icon. I want you to click the card styling. In order for you to style this card, just click this button, and here you can set a layout. Up layout, left layout, right layout, and a background layout. In this way, we have edited or styled our card in the way we want to position it. Next is there are different effects that you can input in here, like a frosted effect or a clear effect. So let's set it back to the faded one and then set it to top layout. Also, you can style your card using AI styling, like edit with AI. You can improve the writing inside this content. You can try different layout, but this costs about 5 coins. So let's try trying a different layout just to make or improve this visual. After clicking this and just wait for this design process, Gamma AI will create a very detailed layout for us, which is very different in our first layout. And that's how you can edit or style your card in Gamma. Now let's head into our next topic. For our next topic is exploring the bottom button that you can see in a single card. Now I want you to hover in the bottom side of a card. So you can see there are 3 icons that you can click in this button, or 3 functionalities inside this button, which is add a blank card, add card with AI, and lastly is add from template. In the previous topic, we have already styled a card using AI. In this topic, we will be using add from template, since we just need to do or show you a traditional form of adding a template with the use of human. So click this, and then select a basic template or basic styling, card layouts here, and also you can also generate images with the use of Gamma AI. And as you can see here, it automatically selected a card for us, but I don't want this kind of look. Just simply click the 3 icon dotted button here, and then delete this. And that's how you can delete one card in your presentation. So let's go back in adding a template. Just click the add from template and then select 3 column with headings. And as you can see here, it has generated a 3 column heading with a size of 4 and also a title card. So you can see the layout here feels familiar, since Notion also follows this kind of styling. Now let's cover our next topic. Now that you already know how to add a template or add a card, style a card, let's head into the next feature of Gamma. So hover into another card and just click this add card with the AI. With this feature, you just need to generate a prompt or input a prompt, and then Gamma will automatically provide it for you. So let's say add another player here, which is from NBA. And then you can choose a template for this card, whether you like it with bullets, with paragraphs, with 2 column with image, or with images with text, and much more. As you can see, Gamma offers everything inside this generation AI tool. So let's set it to 2 column with image, and then click this icon here. And as you can see, it is now generating our card with 2 images and also a text and a title. Just wait for this, and as you can see, it has featured Shaquille O'Neal as for this card, with a card that is in cartoonized version. Now let's dive into our next topic. Next, we will be covering how to use the slash button. Now I want you to create another card, a blank card. Click this and add a blank card. As you can see, this blank card follows a basic template that is pre-made by Gamma AI. Now I want you to type in a title for this. Let's say as a new card, and then add a space. Now type in a slash. As you can see here, there are several elements that you can input this. For example, I want to add another title, a display, a monster, a heading, or even a small text, a numbered list, and many more. There's a lot to provide inside this slash button. As you can see, this kind of functionality is very familiar with the use of Notion's slash. Meanwhile, Gamma AI is fully generated using AI. Notion can also be used for traditional editing, but Gamma AI is much better since it provides anything with the use of a single prompt. Now let's dive in our next topic. In this next topic, or in this new topic, we will be discussing how to customize a theme that was generated. I am already liking this kind of theme, but what if you are dissatisfied with this presentation? Just click this theme icon here or theme button. Just click the edit theme, and then it will generate a pop-up or a sidebar where you can edit your theme again. Now just select or customize this. Let's say I want it in a red tone or in a wine tone. Just click this and it will automatically change everything for you. And as you can see here, my theme is now in full customization of wine color. And how to present this theme, since we want it to show to everyone. For this feature, just click the present here, and it will show you in a full screen mode. You can move this by clicking the next button in your keyboard. And also, I want to mention that Gamma has already prepared or set a good transition for this presentation, which is a great feature since our traditional presentation applications doesn't have this kind of feature. So let's talk about our next topic. Now that you already know how to present the presentation, just hover into the right side of your screen. As you can see here, there are several buttons to choose from. These are the buttons that contains drag and drop elements. Now select one of the icon here. For example, I want to select basic blocks. Here you can select anything that you can drop or drag and drop into your presentation. For example, I want to add a heading. Just place it there. Let's do it again. A heading here. As you can see, the heading element has been added. Also, you can explore things here, like you want to add a chart or diagram. Just click this and then add a pie chart. Now in this pie chart, you need or you have to input elements, but let's cover that in another topic. And as you can see, the pie chart was added in our presentation. So now that you already know how to use the elements on the right side bar, let's talk about our next topic. Now that you already know how to present, how to add the elements in the right sidebar, how to fully customize a single card in your Gamma presentation, and how to add card and templates and edit themes. Have you ever wondered how to share this or collaborate this presentation with? In this topic, we will be talking about it. Just click the share button here, and you can add the email of the person that you want to collaborate here with. Just input that here. Let's say I want to add this person in my project. Just click done, and as you can see, there is a send invitation button. This invitation will be sent to their email, and that's it. That's how you can share or collaborate a project with another user in Gamma AI. Now that you already know the basics of Gamma AI, this beginner's guide is now ending. Thank you for listening, and that's it. That's how you can fully utilize Gamma AI.